In this video, I'm going to show you how to add payment option in Google Forms. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, scroll down and click on Forms. Let's open a blank form. Now we need to install an add-on. In the top right corner, click on the three-dot icon. In the drop-down, click on Get Add-ons. In the pop-up, go to the search bar and search for Payable Forms. The add-on created by Payable Inc. is the one we need. Let's click on the add-on. On this page, click on Install. A pop-up should appear asking you to log in if you're using it for the first time. Log in normally using your Gmail address. After you are done, it will take you back to the form page. In the pop-up, click on Get Started. Here, your default language and country will be available to edit. Click on Currency and select your preferred currency. In my case, I will select US dollars. After you are done, close the pop-up. You will see a menu at the corner of the screen. If the menu doesn't appear, click on the extension icon and you can get it from here. On this menu, click on Auto Configure Form and Sheet. In the pop-up, click on See the Connected Google Sheet. This will open a sheet where all the transaction records will be saved. Let's go back to the form window. In the add-on menu, click on Connect a Payment Provider. In this pop-up, you can select any international payment method, such as Square, Stripe, PayPal, etc. Now click on Add Sample Payment Sections. In the pop-up, click on Close Window. Now if you scroll down, you can see that some commonly used payment sections are created automatically. You can edit them according to your needs. And if you don't want these sections, you can create your own manually. After you are done, click on Make this form payable. As I didn't add any payment method, I can't turn it on. But if you have added a payment method, you will be able to do it. Then you can just share your form link like any regular form. Following these steps, you can add a payment option in Google Forms.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.